From the world of celebrities, Nigerian music star Burna has found himself at the center of an online controversy involving socialite Sophia Egbueje and an influencer, Ama Regina. Reports circulating online suggest that Sophia Egbueje and Ama Regina are allegedly at odds over Burna after a leaked audio recording of their conversation surfaced. In the viral clip, Sophia voiced her frustration with Ama, accusing her of betrayal over the singer's refusal to fulfill his promise of buying her a Lamborghini. She claimed that Ama initially encouraged her to pursue a relationship with Burna, only for Ama to be seen later hanging out with the singer and his rumored girlfriend, Cleo Bailey. Sophia revealed that she decided to give Burna a chance after he promised her lavish gifts, including a Lamborghini truck worth 500 million naira. She alleged that after their sexual encounter, Burna assured her that he would cover the cost of the luxury vehicle. However, when it was time to make the payment, he reportedly made excuses, leaving her to acquire Lamborghini truck with her own money. Feeling deceived, Sophia said she blocked Burna after realizing he wouldn't fulfill his promises. She also expressed disappointment in Ama and her boyfriend, Mani, who is Burna's personal assistant, for not stepping in to mediate the situation. The leaked audio also captured Sophia recalling how Ama had previously encouraged her to take Burna seriously, citing his past generosity to ex-girlfriend, Stefflon Don. As of the time of filing this report, neither Burna nor Ama Regina had publicly addressed Sophia Egbueje's allegations. And while this has sparked reactions online, you can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. And please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.